Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. This is Nabeel Ahmed and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you the best responsive website which is made on decoration services and is a decorated website. ठीक है. Secondly, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe, like and comment and show your ढेर सारा love. Uh, so guys, first of all I will show you this is a logo decor, and this is a nav bar, home services, products, about us, blog, contact and search bar, and add to cart and etc etc. So guys, first of all I will show you their alignments and movement. Here I put four slider, and in each slider I will put different products and buy now details and so on. You can see here I put four sliders. So guys, move on forward. I put on the flexbox and uh, high quality fast delivery and basically this is not a coding website. It is made on the WordPress web hosting localhost. I made this website on WordPress. You can see these are the accessories, furnitures, decor, lighting, vases, and view all new arrivals. I will show you each and everything now. This is new arrivals, new products, and 50% off details and feature products. And you can see the quality and comments, reviews, and latest news. These are the latest news. And last, footer section I will put another nav bar, home services, products, about us, blog, contact us, and their official links: Facebook, Twitter, Insta, YouTube, and so on. You can see this website is very professional and responsive. If I click on furniture, and if I click on furniture, the furniture slider will be open, the furniture page will be open. You can see there is a price reduce and gain. You can filter your price, that uh, you can put your price through your budget, and you can filter your price, default sorting, and see all the furniture products. So guys, I will put another thing that these are the sale. You can see the 75% or $75 to $65. And if you put add to cart on this, I will put add to cart in this, you can click on this, and you can click on this, and these are the details of these products, and these are the description, these are the reviews. You can put on reviews, name, email, and so on. These are the related products. You can add to cart. You can if you click on this picture, you can see the picture will be zoom, and you can see clearly, just like the Amazon. This is a full responsive website. You can see there is uh, a path which I show you, that we move to furniture path, and then this product. And if I add to cart, this only one and two, you can add on this whatever you want. You can see the Fusible Omer has been added to your cart. If you view your product that you cart, I will show you in uh, after after this after this thing I will show you add to cart things, that where I put add to cart. You can see these are the furnitures, and if you put on accessories, the accessories product will be open. If you put on lightning, the decor, you can see that in lightning area, these are the accessories which I put on this website. And you can see these are the categories: accessories, furniture, lighting, vases, decor means decoration, you can see. And if I put this sale magna franglia and I add to cart in on this, you can see here that two product will be cart, and the subtotal is $207. You can check out and you can view cart. uh, Move forward, that moving forward, and you can see the lightning, your senior decorate and faces and so many more. In new arrivals you can see view all, and these are the new arrivals, and I will show you each and everything. These are the reviews. Then I will show you the services. First of all, so guys, I will told you that if you are guys new in my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and comment, show your ढेर सारा love. Actually, these are the services. These are the lighting, home decor, interior design, furniture, and so on. You can see these their design and their animations. You can see these are the view catalog, quality, and so on. I add button and hire us. If you hire us, and these are the recent projects, and the subscribe to our newsletter. And you can see here that their decor accessory, these are the categories which I put on footer site, and these are the information which I show you, and this is contact us. So guys, moving to the products area, products button. These are the product button. You can see these are the new accessories and so on. These are this these products are on sale. Feature products, shop now. This is the latest product which is $79 and so on. And I will put two sliders, two buttons, one and two, and this button next. So guys, here is about us. Now put I will show you the about us, that this is the about us page, and the this is the CEO director, and this is our team. CEO director Marianne Suttered, and Marianne Suttered, and Marianne Suttered I will put randomly words. And these are the CEO directors, and I will put their links: Facebook, Insta, and LinkedIn accounts. This is the video which, if you click on this video, the product will be open, the product video will be open. You can see the best brands only is Domino and Edgar Travel Elegance, Strong Factor, Moon, Contracts, Domino, Ben, and much more. These this is a subscribe our new newsletter. If you guys subscribe our newsletter, you can put on email address and subscribe. So guys, moving forward, there is our blog section. This is our blog section. You can see the blogs, and this is our contact us form. So guys, if you want this project, wonderful project, kindly comment your email and show your love, that how what are your reviews about that. This is our contact us form: physical address, email address, phone numbers, and send us a message: first name, last name, and email address, your phone number, subject, message which you send us, and click on send button. These are the latest news and new arrivals and much more. Now say the search icon. You can, if you click on search icon, the search icon will be open, and you can search any product if you want, with whatever you want. And this is a login. If you guys sign up our decoration website, you can use your email address, passwords, and much more. This is a forget password, remember me, and login. And so recently, in previous time, I put two products on cart, and if you guys click on cart icon, you can see these are the two products which I add to cart. This is $159, and one quantity one. If I put two, then the quantity two, and the price will be changed, and you can see update cart. If you click on update cart, the price will be add on the cart totals. If you can see $366, and this is a cart, and you can use apply coupon code, and you can see that if you put anything, the message will be show you the cart update, and you can see proceed to checkout. If you click on this proceed to checkout, then you can order your products. You can see this is the proceed to checkout. This is the billing details: first name, last name, company name, country and home address, towns, state, zip code, phone number, email address. Additional information: your product subtotal, there is a receipt for of these, and you can see their total, subtotal, and these are the quantity of the product, and place your order. So guys, what are the reviews about this website? You can see this view cart. These are the view cart. If you guys update on products, you can see you can update and decrease your quantity. Then click on checkout. If you guys check out, you can see the checkout. If you guys filling your details, the place order will be submitted. So guys, this is the official and responsive website which I show you, and this is made by on WordPress. Kindly share your reviews in comment section. What are your reviews in this website, and what are your reviews that how is this wonderful, how the animation will be moved, and what are your advantages and what are your disadvantages on this website, that what is the understanding about your what is your understanding about this website, what is your opinion on this website, that how the website is good or not. Kindly show your love, comment, and show your ढेर सारा प्यार. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.